Right folks, this is me in the workshop. I'm making these panels for Stacey up there in Moncton, right? And if you come closely, we've cut all our wood, you'll see all the we're cut. And these are all the different sizes, and this is this panel ready to get double face. Now, if you come closely, you see that up there, how there's no joint there and there's a joint there. So the way we do them is this, look, see that there? Right, watch this carefully, watch closely. And by the way, right, so we'll put that there, and we just tack that, and then we'll put that in there, right? Then, this here goes there, right? And then, you see, and then that way, it overlaps there like that, right? Then you do that there, right? And that there, and that there, and that there, right? And that there. Then, wait till you see we've not put the lid on. So then you've got this one here, right? And then that there, right? And we just single tack it and then we've got a piece of wood we keep for centre. And then this is our centre spar. And we put that there like that. Then we take that out and then we put it there. And then that's that there. Then we take that out. See, then everything's then, folks, isn't it? Then we take that out there and we put that there. Right? And then you put that down. I should actually do what I do with the spacer. Right? And then that there. And then you do the same the other end. Right? Then you think you're in the war. You think you're in the war. Then you go like that there. And you've that there. And then that's that there. Then you go nail that. That's your panel made right now. And then what you do is this, you put the nail gun out the road, chew your nail gun, then you're lifting it. Oh, look at that. That's how good they're done. Then, I haven't made them yet, you'll see that tomorrow. We put a carpet rail on top of that, it's all nicey picey, then we put them there and we retreat them, although that's treated. Because we've opened up the height of the wood, we want to protect that, so we retreat it. If you look there, we've got all worked out well. Famous last word, something like that. Oh, and never ever forget the mighty WF8 badge will go in that panel with pride. And there you see, this is the bottom layer, and this is the top layer there. And then we do all the panels, and what we do, we get a full length, we've got them there. When you do the panel, start left to right, and you start off there, and you've all them cut spot on like that there. Now, more importantly, this net is to catch Albert. We will catch you, Albert. We're going to stop you stealing my bins or any other bins. Your bins will be saved you shortly. We're going on the quest to get Albert the Griller. We've got the net. We're going to get the team in action. We've got the belts and everything. Albert, we're coming for you. See you all later, folks.